Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make custom orbs, portals, spikes, blocks, and textures in Geometry Dash 2.2. So let's start with the first step, which is access the custom objects menu. So in the editor, find the custom objects section in the object palette. So here you will see orbs, portals, and other customizable elements. Next step is select an orb and open the edit panel to change colors. You can also add glow effects and modify the visual design. Next step is create unique portal designs by adjusting shape, color, and texture settings in the portal customization menu. Next is apply textures to the objects. So use the texture options to apply patterns to spikes, blocks, and other solid objects for unique visual style. And lastly is complete your custom level. So your level now features completely unique custom objects, so you can test play to make sure everything looks great in action. So you can save custom objects as presets to reuse in the future levels. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!